Today, we will take the RLAARLO 17 scale MK07 to the next level with all new V2 version. 3 new colors, black, purple, and gray. 2 new hood spotlight added, equipped with the scale spotlight brackets, enhanced scale realism, side mirror upgrade, update to JK07 style with hidden wiring. Rear flip reinforcement plate added, increase stability when flipping the body, protect body shell from cracking. R-clips upgrade to quick release structure. Upgrade to dual battery tray design. Front mount battery compartment, shifts center of the gravity forward. Chassis rail, rear ceiling plate added, reduce dust and gravel intrusion. Upgrade adjustable differential cable structure. Upgrade shock absorber, equipped with the built-in dust boost. 140A ESC upgrade for brushless version. Support 6S batteries. More powerful performance. All linkage ball head upgrade to reinforced nylon. 40 kg steering servo output gear upgrade to the steel.